Hello everyone, myself Sahil Singh. Currently I am doing my BTech from BIT Jhansi and my internship from Newgen Software Limited. So here we have David Kumar, a noogler, and he is such a great helping hand to students who want to become software engineer. He is helping them as a teacher and as a mentor. David, first introduce yourself.
So, hi everyone, my name is Abhit Kumar. I am an upcoming Googler. Other than that, I have 8 months of teaching experience in DevTown and मैंने अपने खुद के कोर्स में भी काफ़ी बच्चों को पढ़ा रखा है. हाँ, तो लाइक एक बैच कंप्लीट हो चुका है, तो यू कैन से लाइक 5 to 6 months का एक्सपीरियंस है मैं खुद के बैच में जो मैं पढ़ा चुका हूँ अभी. Yes.
So this video will be more of a questionnaire type, so that every doubt of student can be resolved about the course that we are going to launch for DSA and interview preparation. मैं कुछ questions रवीद से कोर्स के बारे में पूछूंगा, ओके, सो जिससे सारे डाउट्स रिजॉल्व हो जाएं स्टूडेंट्स के. सो माय फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट विल बी द ड्यूरेशन ऑफ दिस कोर्स, रवीद?
So I will try to keep it like 5 to 6 months long, but देखूंगा अगर ऑब्वियसली सिलेबस कंप्लीट नहीं हो पा रहा है तो मैं इसे 7 months तक एक्सटेंड कर सकता हूँ, बट नॉट मोर देन दैट.
My second question is which student can take this course? Do totally beginner students who don't have any prior knowledge about any language can take this course also?
Yes, obviously. Like तुम्हारे पास अगर बिल्कुल भी कोडिंग एक्सपीरियंस नहीं है, like if you are really beginner, तुम चाहे केमिकल ब्रांच के हो, सिविल ब्रांच के हो, इवन फर्स्ट ईयर हो, सेकेंड ईयर हो, थर्ड ईयर हो, it doesn't matter. Okay, you can take this course. It will be from complete beginner to जितना एडवांस जा सकता है.
Okay.
Like competitive के भी टॉपिक कवर होंगे. When I'm talking about competitive topics like segment trees, fenwick tree, like lot of algorithms you can say. Okay, so सारी जितनी ज़्यादा चीज़ें कंप्लीट हो सकती हैं सारी चीज़ें कंप्लीट कर जाएंगी.
And which platform that you are going to use for this classes, these classes?
Which platform I'm going to use?
Yes.
It will be Zoom Premium. Yes, and the mode of communication I will be using is हिंदी प्लस इंग्लिश. जैसे अभी बोल रहा हूँ, कभी हिंदी कभी इंग्लिश, जिसमें बच्चे कंफर्टेबल होंगे ज़्यादा उसी में बोलने लगूंगा उस टाइम पे भी.
And what about the doubt sessions? Like students को डाउट दो तरीकों से आ सकते हैं. एक तो तुम क्लास ले रहे हो, क्लास के during classes if doubt occurs then what you are going to do?
Like क्लास के टाइम पे डाउट, ऑब्वियसली दिस इज वन ऑफ द बेनिफिट ऑफ लाइव क्लासेस. अगर क्लास के बीच में डाउट आ रहा है तो ऑन द टाइम बिल्कुल उसी टाइम आप हैंड रेस कर सकते हो कोई भी, उसी टाइम पे आपका डाउट सुना जाएगा और सबके सामने सॉल्व किया जाएगा. देन अगर तुम्हें कभी बीच में डाउट आ रहा है जब क्लास नहीं चल रही है, देन ऑन द नेक्स्ट डे आप डिस्कस कर सकते हैं डाउट अपना क्लास के बाद, और डायरेक्टली मुझे मैसेज भी कर सकते हैं. बट हाँ, यस.
Yes, this course gives us a community. Like we can share our doubts in that
Yes.
community also, so that our doubt can resolve.
आई वाज जस्ट ट्राइंग टू से दैट, यही बोलने वाला था मैं थोड़ी देर पहले कि मेन चीज़ है तुम्हें कम्युनिटी मिलेगी. ठीक है, लाइक अभी जो पुराना बैच भी था जो भी 30-35 स्टूडेंट्स थे, उन्होंने खुद की अपनी एक कम्युनिटी टाइप बना रखी है. लाइक किसी को डाउट आया तो कोई ना कोई सॉल्व कर ही देता है. मेरे तक बहुत बार डाउट आते तक नहीं थे, पहले ही सॉल्व हो जाते थे. तो ये चीज़ें हैं, ये आपको कम्युनिटी भी देगा. अच्छे कोडर्स के साथ कोडिंग करने से एक माहौल मिलता है, लाइक एटमोसफेयर, जो कॉलेज में बहुत से कॉलेजेस में अवेलेबल नहीं होता कोडिंग एनवायरनमेंट, तो वो भी आपको मिल जाएगा.
Ravi, tell me, what are the benefits of live classes over recorded lectures that are present in YouTube and different platforms?
Obviously, live classes के बहुत ज़्यादा बेनिफिट होते हैं. फर्स्ट थिंग इज योर प्रेजेंस ऑफ माइंड. सिंपल थिंग इज लाइक अगर तुम कभी क्लास में बैठे होगे तो अगर तुम बैठे हुए हो रिकॉर्डेड लेक्चर में, क्या है, अच्छा मुझे खाना खाने जाना, भूख लगी, चलो कुछ खा लेता हूँ, बार बार तुम्हारा माइंड में थॉट्स ज़्यादा ही आएंगे, ये कर लूँ वो कर लूँ. लाइव क्लासेस में क्या है, अगर तुमने 2 घंटे फिक्स कर रखे, लाइक इस टाइम पे मुझे क्लास लेना ही है, तो अगर तुम उस टाइम पे कंसंट्रेट होकर बैठे हो, अच्छे से पढ़ रहे हो, तो आपको कोई दिक्कत नहीं आएगी. आप ऑन द टाइम डाउट पूछ सकते हो. रिकॉर्डेड लेक्चर में ये फैसिलिटी तो होती नहीं है कि आप जैसे डाउट आया वैसे पूछ सको. अपने माइंड के हिसाब से आप इंटरप्रेट करते हो उसे, क्या बहुत बार सबसे ज़्यादा सेकंड फ़ायदा जो लाइव क्लासेस का होता है, जब प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग होती है मेन चीज़, तो सब लोग अलग तरीके से प्रॉब्लम को देखते हैं। तो जब आपकी प्रॉब्लम में कोई अप्रोच में गड़बड़ आती है, तो आप अगर डायरेक्ट पूछते हैं, तो वो टीचर अकॉर्डिंगली उसे आपकी थॉट के हिसाब से समझाता है आपको कि कहाँ गलती कर रहे हैं। तो वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ होती है धीरे धीरे आपके ग्रोथ में। यस, तो सेकंड बेनिफिट ये है। रिकॉर्डेड में ऑब्वियसली ये बेनिफिट आपको नहीं मिल सकता, उसे डायरेक्टली कोई मतलब नहीं है आपसे, वो एक इन जनरल जेनेरिक चीज़ बनाता है जो सबके लिए रहे। यस।
Ravi, tell me something about your experience. Like how many students you have taught till now?
लाइक अभी तक तो काफ़ी स्टूडेंट्स पढ़ाए हैं। मेजरली जितने भी स्टूडेंट्स पढ़ाए हैं वो डेफ टाउन में ही पढ़ाए थे, फॉर्मलिटी शेप आई तभी पढ़ाए थे। लाइक लाइक 1000 स्टूडेंट्स तक हो गए होंगे उस टाइम पे। बट लाइक इन माई ओन बैच नॉट मोर देन 35, इट मोस्टली जो 17 18 20 इतने ही स्टूडेंट ज्वाइन करते थे डेली लाइफ क्लास। यस।
So, what are the other benefits other than the classes our students are going to get?
What are the other benefits?
Yes, other than classes, live classes.
लाइक बेनिफिट्स में अगर आप देखो तो मॉक इंटरव्यूज आपको मिलेंगे, जो कि काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट होता है किसी भी इंटरव्यू में बैठने के लिए। आपको कॉन्फिडेंस देता है वो चीज़, लाइक तुम लोगों के लिए कंफर्टेबल हो जाओगे तुम इंटरव्यू सिचुएशन से। सेकेंड थिंग जो बेनिफिट होगा, रिज्यूमे, लाइक रिज्यूमे रिव्यू यू कैन से, तो उसमें आपको फ़ायदा मिलेगा। लाइक आपके रिज्यूमे खुद देखे जाएंगे कि ऑब्वियसली कि अच्छे बने हुए हैं, प्रॉपरली एटीएस स्कैन हो पा रहे हैं, नहीं हो पाएंगे या नहीं, के टोकन्स हैं जो उनमें रिक्वायर्ड है, या आपने अपनी स्किल्स सही से लिखी हैं, जो चीज़ें शोकेस करनी चाहिए वो कर रहे हो नहीं। इन दीज थिंग्स ऑल्सो वी विल टेक केयर ऑफ दैट।
Okay, Rohit. So, tell students about more about the topics that we are going to discuss. So, can you share the course catalog and explain what topics are you going to cover?
Yes, sure.
So yes, let's start with the course content. Okay, so let's see what we are going to learn. Okay, our course will obviously be divided into these three stages, you can say. Other than that, these three stages, obviously, if you know don't have any knowledge about any language or anything related to coding, that's absolutely fine. If you are just like, you should be just intermediate pass or 12th pass, whatever you call it. Okay, you should be just 12 pass and it's fine, you can learn coding. Okay, so actually course content will be, we will first go with the C++, then we will learn about basic level, then you can say during this basic level only we will also learn about this C++ STL and OOPS concept also. Okay, so again I'm saying first we will cover up C++, then we will do this basic thing, basic part. Okay, basic level, then when we are doing this basic level, we are going to do this C++ STL along with OOPS. Okay, all the OOPS concept we will learn. Obviously, OOPS concept is going to be very helpful when we are talking about, like many of the companies are taking machine coding round. Okay, machine coding round, you can say. So in that also, and other rounds are also there in which your OOPS concepts are judged. Okay, so you can understand this is very important. Along with this, C++ STL is really important when you are doing competitive programming or even DSA questions. Okay, C++, STL, and OOPS. Now let's go with the basic level. Let's see what we are going to learn here. It will be basic data structures like arrays, obviously, strings, tags, queues, linked lists. All of these basic data structure we are going to learn in the basic level only. Okay, then some number theory concepts like binary, matrix exponentiation, basic math operation, obviously primality test, square root. Okay, not log and primality test. Okay, square root, primality test, Euclid GCD algorithm, prime numbers and divisibility of numbers, all of these basic number theory and mathematics. Okay, then we will in depth understand how to actually judge efficiency of any algorithm in terms of time and space complexity. For that we will learn about asymptotic analysis. Okay, then basic recursion and greedy algorithms we are going to learn. Okay, this is just a syllabus, you can go through it and just explaining you like what we are going to learn. Okay, basic dynamic programming, string algorithms. When I'm talking about string algorithms, like really important algorithms are there, like KMP, okay, Rabin-Karp, Manchas, naive string searching algorithm. Even you can add Z algorithm also. Okay, this we can also learn. Then let's see basic dynamic programming like one DDP, two DDP. All of this we are going to learn. 3DP is really important. Okay, a lot of companies ask a question on trees, and that is mostly solved by 3DP. I think 3DP is just a concept actually. It is just returning the answer from each node, children node. Okay, don't worry if you're not able to understand right now, it's fine because you are going to learn it. Okay, just I'm telling you the syllabus. Okay, what you are going to learn. So be excited for that. Okay, so binary searching we are going to learn, bit manipulation. All of this is comes under basic. Okay, basic level. Now let's move to our intermediate level. What we are going to learn in that? Okay, let's see. Yes. So first we will get knowledge about number systems. Okay, a lot of like hexadecimal, binary, all of these number system, and we will solve a lot of problems on that. How to think in terms of bits. Don't worry if you're not able to understand. That's fine. Okay. Heaps. We will learn about priority queues and all of that. Disjoint set union. Okay, DSU is a very famous data structure. Okay, it has helped to solve a lot of problems. Okay, related to graphs mostly. Okay, then segment trees, Fenwick trees. These are advanced topics. The number theory, in that we are going to learn some good topics like linear Diophantine equation, number theoretic functions, ठीक है, modular arithmetic, Euler-Torsion function, Rabin-Miller primality test. Okay, these is going to be really fast primality test, not like root n primality test. We will understand it, don't worry. What is this root n and all? Then we will learn about graph algorithms like shortest path algorithm, Dijkstra, Bellman, Ford, Floyd, Warshall. A lot of algorithms we are going to learn in graphs like cycle detection algorithm, minimum spanning tree, Prince and Kruskal's, Kosa-Raju algorithm. ठीक है? Then Kahan's algorithm for topological sort, Kosa-Raju for strongly connected component. Okay, the Ford-Fulkerson, Tarzan's algorithm. All of this we are going to learn. Okay. Then amortized analysis, very much similar to asymptotic analysis, but little different. Okay. Yes. Then divide and conquer algorithm, Sieve-Perotte-Stein, a lot of problems that are asked in coding interviews. If it is related to prime numbers now, definitely most of the time Sieve-Perotte-Stein is used. So it is really important to understand it in depth and what are the modifications that we can do on Sieve-Perotte-Stein to solve a lot of problems. Okay, if we are getting any simple modification in the question, how we can relate to this Sieve-Perotte-Stein and solve it using that. Then we are going to learn about advanced dynamic programming also. Like a lot of topics are there, like DPO, like DP on trees, you can call it, then digit DP, you can say digit DP. Then SOSDP is also there, sum over subset. This is sum over subset. So there are a lot of advanced DP topics also. We are going to learn it. Don't worry about that. Yes. So that is most of all about like content. Okay. I hope you have understood what we are going to learn. If that's fine, then it's really good. Now let's see. Again, I'm going to summarize it. We will do is first we will understand C++. We are going to understand it in depth. Okay, all the keywords and all of its meaning, how it is working actually. Then we are going to also learn about OOPS, all the OOPS concept. We will understand it in depth. Then C++ STL also we are going to learn. Then basic level, along with this C++ STL, we are going to do it along with. Okay, we don't know along with basic level. Now finally we are going to move to intermediate level. Intermediate level. In intermediate level, when I'm saying like intermediate level contains topics that will when I'm talking about basic level, that doesn't mean like you will, if after completing the basic level you will become a beginner. No, beginner is when you don't know anything. Okay, after doing the basic level you will be an intermediate coder. After doing the intermediate level you will be, you can say, fully prepared for interviews. Okay, you can understand like now you are fully prepared for any interview if you have done everything according to my whatever I have said, and you have solved enough number of problem, you have got all the knowledge, you have attended all the classes, then surely you will get a good placement. Okay. Yes, I hope you are getting it. After doing the intermediate level, when all of these things will be clear, you will be good to go for any coding interview. I hope that's clear. Okay.
So Ravi, one of the most important question, इस कोर्स की प्राइस क्या होने वाली है?
सो मैंने कोशिश की कि प्राइस को जितना कम कर सकें. ऑब्वियसली हम लोग सब इंजीनियरिंग स्टूडेंट हैं, सबने कभी ना कभी फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री मैथ्स की कोचिंग तो ली ही होगी. तो मैंने उसी रिस्पेक्ट में देखा कि ऑब्वियसली हर एक को कोचिंग की ज़्यादातर अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 1000 रुपीज़ पर मंथ फीस होती थी. नाउ यहाँ पे तो हम बात कर रहे हैं DSA जो कि 80% वेटेज रखता है पूरे प्लेसमेंट में. तो आप समझ ही सकते हैं कितना ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है. तो मैंने फीस उसी की रेंज में अप्रॉक्सीमेटली रखी है. एंड किसी को हेजिटेट नहीं करना चाहिए जब आप लोगों को पता ही है कॉलेज इतनी फीस लेता है. एंड कॉलेज का लाइक फॉर मोस्टली Tier 2 एंड Tier 3 कॉलेजेस में इतनी फीस लेता है, उसके बावजूद प्लेसमेंट में कितनी ज़्यादा हेल्प करता है, कितना पढ़ाता है उसके रिस्पेक्ट में. तो वैसे ही है जैसे आप स्कूल में जाते थे बट आपको ट्यूशन पढ़नी पड़ती थी JEE के लिए अगर कभी भी प्रिपेयर किया है, सेम उसी तरीके से अगर आपको इतने सस्ते में कोई चीज़ मिल रही है जिसमें आपने जो 20 साल मेहनत की है, ऑब्वियसली जॉब के लिए ही आप लोगों ने मेहनत की है, तो अब जब पूरा उसी पे डिपेंड करती है चीज़ें, तो किसी को हेजिटेट नहीं करना चाहिए. अगर किसी सस्ती कम रुपए में अगर आपको बहुत ही वैल्यू फॉर मनी कोई कोर्स मिल रहा है एंड वैल्यू फॉर कोर्स से बात कर रहा हूँ तो लाइक क्वालिटी आप लोग किसी भी जो मेरे पुराने स्टूडेंट रह रखे हैं उनसे भी पूछ सकते हैं। टेस्टिमोनियल्स भी कुछ लगाए हुए हैं जो स्टूडेंट के खुद के फीडबैक्स हैं, आप उन पे भी गो थ्रू कर सकते हैं।
एंड आई थिंक विद लाइव कोर्सेज के लिए जो फीस रखी गई है वो काफी कम है लाइव कोर्सेज के हिसाब से।
लाइक लाइव कोर्सेज आप और भी कोर्सेज से कंपेयर कर सकते हैं, जो लाइव कोर्सेज हो स्पेशली, तो आप कंपेयर करेंगे कि इतने सिलेबस में अगर किसी भी कोर्स की इतनी फीस कम मिल जाए तो ये बहुत ही बड़ी बात है। आई डोंट थिंक हम लोगों ने तो नहीं देखा।
एंड गाइस कोर्स से रिलेटेड सारी चीज़ें सब डिस्क्रिप्शन में ऐड है। सो रवि, व्हाट विल बी द फ्लो ऑफ योर टीचिंग? लेट्स टेक वन टॉपिक एज एग्जांपल, लिंक लिस्ट। सो हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू टीच लिंक लिस्ट टू अ स्टूडेंट?
सो लाइक जब भी कोई न्यू टॉपिक स्टार्ट होगा, चलो लिंक लिस्ट जैसे ले लेते हैं, तो लाइक फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल बेसिक क्वेश्चंस, जो भी बेसिक क्वेश्चंस आई एम सेइंग, लाइक बेसिक डिटेल्स जो भी हो सकती है लाइक इम्प्लीमेंटेशन वाइज, और जो टॉपिक से रिलेटेड चीज़ें होती हैं वो डिस्कस होंगी जितने ज़्यादा डेप्थ में अंडरस्टैंड कर सकते हैं। और बिगिनर क्वेश्चंस जैसे कि डिटेक्टिंग अ साइकिल इन अ लिंक लिस्ट, फाइंडिंग द मिडल नोड इन अ लिंक लिस्ट इन ऑप्टिमाइज्ड वे, ऐसे टाइप के क्वेश्चंस हम सॉल्व करेंगे जिससे कि टॉपिक में डेप्थ अंडरस्टैंडिंग हो जाए। देन हम उसमें मीडियम और हार्ड लेवल प्रॉब्लम्स, लीड कोड और गीक फॉर गीक्स टाइप के क्वेश्चन होंगे वो सॉल्व करेंगे। एंड देन फाइनली उसके बाद अगर हो जाएगा फिर हम होमवर्क में क्वेश्चंस पूछ देंगे, वो सारे स्टूडेंट्स ट्राई करेंगे। अगर वो कर पा रहे हैं देन इट्स रियली गुड, इफ दे आर नॉट एबल टू डू इट वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस इट इन अ क्लास आल्सो।
So I hope all the students who are going to watch this video will get excited for this course,
Hope so.
as it have many components that can help for sure in their interview preparation and DSA.
For sure.
Okay. And now you all are going to see some experiences of a student from our first batch, and you can see the change in their learning from the beginning of this course, their course, and then after.
These days, the content about competitive programming and DSA is available on the internet enormously, but the knowledge that Ravit has provided to me is the summation of firstly, the content about competitive programming from not just from one source but from various good sources, secondly, the intuition behind every problem, and lastly, the experience of solving so many questions on different platforms and contests. He not only just teaches how to solve a problem but also develops the logic which enhances the problem solving skills. So thank you Ravit for passing on this knowledge to me, and I hope you will provide this knowledge to many needy students through your course.
The reason for me to join NRA's coding classes was the lucid explanation. Earlier, I was not able to comprehend the actual working of the program, how the program is working, but the way he provided the step-by-step solution to each and every problem, and he even tried on them to show the actual working, it made me comfortable with the problem solving. Another great aspect of the classes is its fun and interactive classes. There's a sense of comfort in the class that makes you ask even the silliest of your doubts without hesitation. And the course, and I found the course to be well structured for the interview and DSA preparation, and it was of great help. Thank you.
Vavisa, in a span of 5 months, has helped me get over my fear of competitive coding. Though I have not been able to join all of his classes due to conflicting timings with my gate coaching, his recorded videos have been more than enough for me to get a good grasp of all concepts I needed to prepare for any interview I may face in the future. His way of teaching is better than any coach you'll find out there, and he has a knack for making tough things seem simple.
Okay, so hey guys, so in the past I already took many DSA courses, but the thing that separates this course from those ones are the live doubt solving sessions. Like we used to discuss our doubts with sir in the live class and he used to make us understand step by step. The second advantage that I got was interview preparation. Like we were asked to share our screen and code, okay, and that thing improved our coding skills as well as problem solving skills as well as the ability to speak in interviews. This thing is very important as far as interviews are concerned. So these advantages I got from the lectures and from the course.
Everyone. So last year I had joined a course of DevTown, previously known as Shape AI, and a tutor for competitive programming were Ravit sir. So the moment Ravit sir announced that he's going to start his own coding classes, I definitely wanted to join in. Ravit sir's method was so simple and easy to understand that even a newbie to competitive programming can easily pave his way into problem solving. And he used to tell us that we should encounter each and every new problem as a relation to the previous problem. We should try to relate it to the previous problem already solved so that we don't have to build the solution from scratch, which was very different from what all the other competitive programming tutors teach out there. Thank you.
Hi guys, I'm Radhika Gar. I wanted to tell, when I started my journey, I was not even able to do a single line of code, but when I met Ravit sir, he told me everything from basic, and he gave a brief description of every topic and every question. He gave me guidance of everything. He's very friendly in nature also, and now I am able to do a code. I am far better than before. and he gave me confidence and made my fear of coding out also. So thank you.
Teaching, explanation, example, motivation, resource, or kindness, and what more tell about Ravi sir. Now learning DSA from Ravi sir, I feel better or comfortable in CP while learning or while suffering from basic DSA to advanced DSA. On the way, we learn a lot of things like problem analysis, different type of algorithm, like graph, GDDP, or recurrent, and learning some advanced concept from them. Every day solving problem, and sir always say that practice the question is the key of success in CP. So if you want, or if someone want to prove something in competitive programming, then attend the session of Ravi sir. Then your mind will be changed about Ravi sir, and you definitely